Hey, Chris Menard here, Microsoft MVP. I want to save you between 3.5 to 5 hours a week on your replies in Outlook. I'm using a paid license of Copilot. I'm also using the new Outlook desktop. This also works in Outlook on the web. I could not get it to work with the Outlook desktop. Item number one, I got two things to cover. Item one, I've covered before, and it's one of my favorite Outlook features with Copilot. I have an email from Carol Wilson about our annual retreat. She mentioned three cities. She mentioned Nashville, Austin, Texas, and Atlanta, Georgia. And then down below, she gave me hotel and venue options about those cities. If I click on reply, I have these Copilot suggested drafts down here. I've got four of them. The one I like is great location suggestions. I click it. Copilot will come in here and populate my email reply with that. And if I want to, I can make it longer, make it shorter. Just to prove it works, I'm going to click make it longer. It quickly changes the email, makes it longer, and it's keeping up with every edit it has done. So I can go back to number one, or I can move forward to the second draft. I'm going to select keep it. And so now I can come and edit this before I hit send to send this back to Carol. I've shown this before and I love it right there. Close that. The issue is I love that most of the time, but let's say that I want two additional cities. I would like to see Scottsdale, Arizona, and also Orlando, Florida listed. So I want Carol to do some work. Well, the canned Copilot replies doesn't know about those two cities. So I'm going to hit reply again. So I'm back where I was. I've got my four Copilot suggestions. They're not working for me. Up in the top right is the Copilot icon. And when I come to it, I'm just going to click on it. It opens up a task pane sitting over here. What do I want to say to Carol? I'm going to say, great, three cities you gave me, but I'd like to see two additional locations, Scottsdale, Arizona, and Orlando, Florida. Send this off. So Copilot is helping me write my reply. It's using, if you notice here, the Outlook Draft Assistant. It immediately populates the email with those two cities that I said based on what I'm asking for. But it's also giving me additional prompts down here, or I can continue to tweak it. Add more details about Scottsdale and Orlando. Here you go. Suggest hotels and venues for Scottsdale, and because she gave me hotels for the other three cities, original. So let's do this. Send this off. So even though I'm working in the task pane on the right-hand side of my screen, everything is happening over in the body of the email, and I should have the option to replace in just a second when I look down there. Let's see if it worked. I'm gonna hit replace. Maybe that's what I need to do. Earlier it said replace automatically. I actually had to click in here one time. So here you go with my reply. Strong options. Hey, number five is Orlando. So it's keeping the correct order. Hotel and venues. Let's see what it gave me for Scottsdale. Perfect. And for Orlando, there we go right there. If there's something that I'm missing, let's do this right now. Quick test. For Orlando, Florida, let's see if it'll give me some of the Disney conference resorts. Hey, for Orlando, Florida, I would like to see some of the Disney conference resorts listed. Send it off. Still working over in the task pane. Still using the Outlook Draft Assistant, which is good, by the way. I'm hoping to see that. And it came back in here, and sure enough, it actually gave me three additional locations. Click in here, hit replace, and there I go right there. Now, if I wanted additional besides the Disney, I could come in here and say, give me Disney and non-Disney. It would do that with no problem. So this looks good, and then I could send this off to Carol. So that is how you use the Copilot task pane in Outlook, but it changes the body of the email for your reply. Thank you for your time. Feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a wonderful day.